Hey guys, today we have a pretty important upgrade slash install. I went out on a pretty gnarly trail a while back and ended up breaking my taillight as well as smashing my bumper. So like I was saying, bumper smashed the taillight in right here. On the other side you can see there's that little space right there. It's a little ski wampus. So what happened was I had a rock right here, smashed the bumper up and popped the taillight out, screwed it up. So I got some new ones. So these are the new taillights. I bought them from TacomaBeast.com. With how many things I buy for my Tacoma, it's the best place to shop. I'll leave them linked down below. Not a sponsor, I did buy these with my own money, but these are designed by Spider Auto. They have the LED light bar here that's gonna match my headlights really, really well. I also got them in the smoke black option so it just looks really, really good with the black truck and the blacked out everything that I've already done to this thing. So I have a video on how to install taillights and reverse lights, those sort of things. I'll leave that linked here. You'll see it. Go check that out if you want to know how to get your taillights replaced as well. But we'll jump in, we'll get these installed and kind of show them off for you guys. Let's do it. All right, that is looking sweet. I'll get a way to get this glue from the duct tape removed, but check that out. We're gonna get the other one installed, guys, and like I said, it's gonna tie in the look of this truck with the headlights and everything else. It'll look awesome. So let's go ahead and install the other one. We'll go out in the hills like we always do and get you guys some video on what it looks like after. Let's do it. So there we have it, guys. It's all installed, ready to go. These taillights are awesome. I really, really like the look of these taillights. I think it ties in the look of the truck, especially with the headlights and them being blacked out and all that. It really gives me that personalized feel to my truck, adding stuff like this to it. It's really, really fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. We just hit over 100 subscribers. I think that's a huge milestone. I think that's awesome. Super motivating. I really, really love bringing videos to you guys and watching you guys support the channel and commenting down below. It's really, really cool. So if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, like, comment down below what you think I should do to this truck next. I have a couple projects in mind, especially fixing that bumper. But yeah, comment down below what you think I should do next. Comment down below your trucks and things like that. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. We'll see you in the next one.